Okay, today we're going to deal with a Gottlieb AS relay. Now these can be troublesome beasts, but once they're stripped down and cleaned and readjusted correctly, they should work fine. Now one of the main things I've noticed on this particular one is this bar here, that one, that's sitting too high. It's supposed to sit perpendicular to that bracket, and it's not. That will give you trouble straight away. That's where the armature throws up against it. That's the stop for the armature. So the armature has to rest on that, not too hard, just lightly. Rest on that underneath plate, just there. Okay, also make sure you clean this area here quite thoroughly, and there's the armature just here. That needs to be cleaned up and dremeled down. I've already given that a bit of a clean. That should be fine. Now one of the big culprits here is these dirty contacts. Get a bit of alcohol, clean them thoroughly, and away you go. Also not forgetting the check pawl. I'm just trying to get a bit of focus on it there. That's the check pawl there. That metal arm, that must drop cleanly in between the teeth. That's adjustable by 2 screws at the back of it there. Now, once you do this, make sure you clean the Jones plugs thoroughly. As you can see, they're quite filthy, so we'll clean them up. And when we reassemble it, we'll show you how it all worked. It's got 2 switch stacks in it, this one, so you've just got to be careful about the depth that sits in the gear. And I think it's 1/32 that the factory recommend you adjust the switch blades. So we'll see how we go with this one, eh? Okay, a thorough cleaning of the PCB board there and helps greatly. So we'll get stuck in and do the other side now. Okay, so here's the finished product. It all works now. Whoops. Try and get that to drive. Where are we? Oops, we're at the wrong end. Here you go. Beautiful. Jones pugs, all nice and clean. Ah, there you are. So the goat's happy. There you go, Spanky. That's his first video since he came back from the United States too, by the way. So this has been another Goat Shed presentation.